Hey everybody, it's Kurt here with another review, and this is on the Ghost Controls driveway gate opener. Solar powered, my friends. Can you see that? Don't have to connect electricity, don't have to worry about all that code stuff. And wow, for about $1,000, it just cannot be beat. This has been in operation for about a good year now, and I put up the whole thing about this time last year. Now the gate and the fence, no, that wasn't fun. That was not fun. But anyway, the easy part was the ghost controls. Look, uh, there's not even a lot of wiring there. You just hook up the bracket to the gate, and then you got your battery below, and you got your motherboard up there. I have it covered just in case, but it's already under this, so it's not going to get any rain. But it's been there for a year, no problems. It's a do-it-yourselfer that you can do, even if you're an attorney or an IT consultant or somebody that typically doesn't work with their hands like this. You can do it. Here we go. You get a couple of remotes. Bam. And, oh, I did pay for something extra, folks. I paid for the zombie lock, so that actually does lock the gate automatically. And I also have it paused. You can do all kinds of things with this gate, and I have it paused for 12 seconds to allow me to get in or to get out. You don't have to do that, but I have it set on the software to do that. And then here it should start automatically to close. And remember, it's working from the sun right there. See that? Those are the solar panels that connect up down to the battery. And you're going to watch how this thing locks. Pretty cool. That's a zombie lock. Right there, it opens. And now, locked. And the gate is locked. Now that zombie lock is extra. I don't know what I paid for it. I think I had to pay a couple $100 for it. It's worth it. It's worth it. You just get your gate locked. It's nice. And then when we're gone for an extended period of time, we have this other more heavier duty lock you can see, but we don't engage that unless we're going to be gone for several days. So for those of you, it's about that time of the year. It's March. We have gorgeous weather today. It's in the low 70s. And just perfect. This is when I started last year. Perfect time for a project like this. It really is. So that's the Ghost Controls solar gate opener with the remote. And I'll tell you what, when it's like 105 degrees out and you're in your air conditioning, the last thing you want to get out is mess around with the gate, unlocking and messing around. No. So this makes it really nice and handy. Also, of course, when it's pounding rain or if it's cold or windy, it actually is a convenience. So this is my review. I've had it for a year. I'm not just one of these persons that just got it to do the open box thing and review it, and then of course they send it back, hoping that you'll just click on their link. But I do want you to click on my link below. It's my Amazon affiliate link. It will take you right there. You'll get the same good deal that you can get anywhere else for the Ghost Controls. Hey guys, I'm showing you my invoice from last year, March 28th, 2021, when I actually bought the Ghost Controls kit. And I told you in the video when I was out actually at my gate and everything that was around $1,000. The truth be told, it actually was a little bit more than that. But I had no idea that Ghost Controls has slashed the price for what I paid all the way down to under $600, as you can see. So I got the whole kit that you see there. I also got the zombie lock, the extra remote. That's a $915. I also ordered 2 of their batteries. I didn't want to fool around going to Home Depot or Lowe's and trying to mess around getting a battery that may or may not work. And so I ordered their 2 batteries. So anyway, legitimately, I did spend probably $1,100 for this thing with everything. And you guys are lucky. I'm just looking at everything now. A year later, they've slashed the price on everything. So you can get their whole kit for under $600. That's the solar and everything, but you'll need to order the zombie lock. I highly recommend that. And I highly recommend just go ahead and order their battery. Even if you think you got a battery that might work, this motherboard and the computer that they have is very sensitive. So the more you screw around with it, the more you're probably going to have problems. So just pony up, get their battery, get their zombie lock, and you're going to be good to go. And you're going to be saving a lot more money than I did. They've reduced the price on everything. And I've showed you my invoice from a year ago and everything else. So this is a no-brainer. If you want to spend $600 or under $1,000 for everything, just to have the convenience and the security of a gate that will open up at the touch of a remote, you just can't beat it. You're not going to be able to beat it. It's solar powered. Yeah, I think you're going to be quite happy. It's actually very doable to put together and put up. Will take you a little bit less than a day, like today's Saturday afternoon, so a little bit less than a Saturday afternoon. All right, folks, go get yourself the Ghost Controls solar gate opener. You won't regret it. I'm Kurt Thompson. I'll see you in the next review.